UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres has called for efforts to promote education for all. The Arab League has welcomed the understanding reached by the two parties of the conflict in Libya on unifying national institutions and sovereign position. Russia has accused the United States of interfering in its domestic affairs. In Mali, at least 6 Malian soldiers have been killed in attacks in the villages of Boulkessi and Mondoro in the Mopti region. Indian farmers to hold rally in Delhi on Tuesday on India Republic Day. Radio Pakistan has started a 4-hour radio school test run transmission to promote distance learning in the country. Indian and Chinese troops in new border brawl. Turkey received 6.5 million doses of China's Sinovac vaccine.